Have you ever wondered how investing can change your financial future? Imagine turning your savings into a more substantial sum, working for you while you sleep. Today, we dive into the basics of investing, a fundamental skill for building wealth over time. Investing, at its core, involves allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. It's how you take charge of your financial security and potentially grow your wealth. But where does one start? One popular investment avenue is the stock market. Stocks represent shares of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you essentially own a piece of that business. If the company thrives, so does the value of your stocks. They can increase in price or pay dividends, which are portions of the company's profits shared with shareholders. However, the stock market can also present risks. Prices fluctuate based on everything from corporate news to global events, and while the potential for high returns exists, so does the possibility of loss. Hence, it's crucial to research and sometimes diversify your investments to manage risk. Speaking of diversification, let's talk about bonds. Bonds are like loans that you give to governments or corporations, who in return promise to pay back the principal amount with interest on a predetermined schedule. They are typically considered safer than stocks because they provide a fixed income over time. However, they usually offer lower returns, reflecting their lower risk. Mutual funds offer another route. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This means you don't need to pick individual stocks or bonds yourself. A professional fund manager does this for you. Mutual funds are an excellent way for beginners to get started with investing because they offer built-in diversification and professional management. But remember, all investments carry some level of risk, and it's important to think about how much uncertainty you're comfortable with in relation to your financial goals and timeline. In summary, investing is about making your money work for you through vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It requires a balance of knowledge, risk tolerance, and sometimes patience. But the potential rewards can be substantial, offering you a path towards financial freedom and stability. So take this knowledge, consider how it fits into your personal financial goals, and perhaps take your first step into the investing world. With careful planning and informed decisions, the journey could be quite rewarding.